Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Lightbox to images and galleries in Squarespace. This feature allows visitors to click on images and view them in a larger, cleaner format without leaving the page, creating a more professional and engaging browsing experience. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all the websites connected to your account. On the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to add the Lightbox feature to your images and galleries. This opens up the specific site you'll be working on, giving you access to all its editing tools and customization options. Now look to the upper right corner of your screen and click Edit Site. This button is your gateway to making changes to your website's design and content. Once you click it, you'll enter the site editor, which allows you to modify pages, sections, and individual elements. After entering the editor, click the Edit button to begin making changes. This activates the editing mode, allowing you to interact with all the visual elements on your site. You'll notice that various sections and images become clickable and adjustable. Now locate the image you want to add a lightbox effect to and click on it. When you do this, a pencil icon will appear. Go ahead and click that pencil icon to open the image settings menu. This is where you can adjust how the image displays and behaves on your site. Inside the image settings, navigate to the Design tab. Here you'll find several display options for your image. Look for the option labeled Lightbox and enable it by toggling the switch or checking the box. This setting tells Squarespace to open the image in an overlay when clicked rather than linking elsewhere or doing nothing at all. Next, you'll want to apply the same effect to your gallery. Locate the gallery section on your page and click Edit Section. This opens the section settings where you can control how your entire gallery functions. Within the section settings, find the Gallery tab. Here you'll see various options for how the gallery displays images. Find the Lightbox option and enable it just like you did for the individual image. This ensures that every image in your gallery will open in a Lightbox view when clicked by visitors. Now you've successfully added a Lightbox to both an individual image and your gallery. These changes enhance the visual experience of your site by letting viewers focus on your images without distractions. Once you're done, click Save to apply all your changes. Your site will now feature the Lightbox effect on the images and galleries you've configured. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.